Buttons are a simple way to make it easier for your visitors to interact with your site. If you are building a website, you will probably want to add various buttons on your site, such as a Contact Us button, About Us button, or a Subscribe button. Buttons guide and instruct the user to take an action while surfing your site. Hi guys, this is Jasmine Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to insert buttons on your WordPress website using Elementor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that we will do once we land on our WordPress dashboard is create a page where we will be adding that button. Now I created a page where I added a YouTube video in the previous SOP. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead, check it out. I will be using the same page for this video as well. So I'll go to all pages from right here and I will choose the page that I created in the previous SOP. And that was how to post videos on YouTube as unlisted. So we will click on Edit with Elementor. And if you do not know how you can create a page with Elementor or how you can use Elementor Builder, then I will just show you. Just hit on Add a new page. And when you click on that, you will get an option to edit with Elementor. So just give it a title, click on Edit with Elementor and start editing, or watch our SOP on how you can use Elementor Builder. I will list it right here and in the description box below. Go check it out. For now, let's get back to the page that we were on, which was how to post videos on YouTube as unlisted. So let's click on Edit with Elementor. Great. So this was the page that I created, and one thing that it's missing right here is giving them an option to go to my YouTube channel directly. So let's go ahead and do that. When we scroll down, we will see this option where we can add a section. So I will be creating two sections just like this. Now over here, I will add a text or a heading. I will add a heading which would say, check out more videos on our channel. And over here, I will be adding the button. So when I click on this plus button, all these widgets, they start to appear in the left-hand side. And all of these options are there. We want to go ahead and click on button. So the button's right here, drag it and drop it. As you can see, a small button starts to appear. For now, I would firstly want to go ahead and edit the text which is right here. So learn, I'll write go to Learn Today Channel on YouTube. Now this is the button that I have created. So let's see all the editing options that we get along with it. The text is right here. The type is default, as you can see. The link we will be posting. So go to the link that you want to put in the button. Now this is the page that our visitors to our website will be redirected to once they click on the button. So get the link. I'm going to get the link from right here. Copy this. And in this link section, delete the hashtag and paste it here. Now let's edit the alignment. Gonna keep it in the middle. The size can be a little bigger than that, maybe large. Large is good. The icon is fine. The icon spacing is fine. Let's go to style and change the color. I don't like green. I'm gonna change it to blue. Let's see. Okay. Yes, this is good. All right. So once that is done, we can also hover our button a little bit. Now this is advanced and not really necessary, but since we are making this video, let's look at the hover editing as well. So as you can see, once I click on hover, and choose an animation that I want. It is on none right now. We can maybe go ahead with pulse. Now, when I keep my cursor here, you can see that it starts to, you know, move like a pulse. So this is the animation. We can go in with something else as well. Let's try float. It sounds pretty cool. Okay, so it's just going up. That's it. Now that is very sober. I'm gonna go with that. So now we can change the color of this button as well once we go to hover. So once basically we hover it, the background color also changes. So let's click on color from here and make it light blue, like so. Now, if I go ahead and get my cursor here, you see the color, it changes. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so I really like this. I'm gonna go with this. And yeah, I think the rest is well and good. I will quickly change the text color from here as well. Okay, so I have made some changes on the channel. I've changed the text color a little bit, the background color of the button a little bit, and I think I'm done with editing this page for now. So what I'll do is I click on update from here. You will get the option to publish if it's a new page. Since I've already published this page, I'm getting the option to update, but you might probably get the option to publish. So hit on publish. And once you have updated it, we can go ahead and check out this page and how it's looking. So we click on this preview changes button, that icon that you see right here in the bottom left corner. I'm gonna click on that, and yep, our page is ready. Now, when I click on go to Learn Today channel on YouTube from here, this will redirect us to the page that we want our visitors to go to once they click on that button. So there you go. We have successfully inserted a button on our WordPress website using Elementor Builder. Once you are done, go to exit to dashboard from here and you're good to go. Hope you guys were able to insert a button on your WordPress website using the Elementor builder. It is pretty easy, so go ahead and try doing it yourself. I will be coming up with a lot of videos related to WordPress, Elementor, and other digital marketing tools as well. So stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, any queries, or any suggestions of other videos that you want to see on the Learn Today channel, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. If you like the video, hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Valia, and I will be seeing you in our next SOP.